Hi there, hello and welcome. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to another part of the Claude Masterclass tutorial. And in this part of the tutorial, we'll learn about connector. So, as you know, from the chat interface, when you click here, this customization option, the briefcase button, you will see the skill which we already have gone through, and you will also see this connector. You'll see these two connectors specifically, GitHub and Google Drive. But it's not the only one that the Claude supports. If you press the plus button right here, you'll see that there are tons of other mini software that Claude is working with. Now let's connect with the Gmail. And for that, I need to connect it with our Gmail. So I just give the Claude give access to my Gmail. So now what it can do, let's see. If I give Claude access to my Gmail, it can look for Gmail inside my Gmail app, hopefully. So I remember that having an email last week, or actually some time ago, uh, from Glassdoor. Let's see if Claude can understand that. And first of all, I'll just check if my connection with Gmail has been established. And yeah, it did actually. Now, let's go back to the conversation. So I'm going to ask, did I have any email from Glassdoor in this month? And as you can see, it's looking through my Gmail and it found it. That email appears to be about linking your Glassdoor and Indeed account for better job matches. So there you go. Since I connected this Gmail, it's working better. Now it's not limited to Gmail. We can also, you already saw how connector works. We can also connect it to Google Drive and with a bunch of other software, Notion, Figma, Linear, and HubSpot, Canva, Google Calendar, Sentry, N8N, Hugging Face, you name it. All the major platforms that needed automation is here already. I can think of any other tools like this connector. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to connect it with Google Drive this time. And make sure to give access to your files, your downloads to Claude. And now it's connected to Google Drive. Now if I ask it again, what was the last file that was uploaded? My drive, my Z drive. Let's see if it can figure it out. Okay, it's looking for a connector. Well, here's the thing. Even though we do have connectors and it's connected, we have some settings. For example, in Gmail, we can give access to a specific feature of your Gmail. And same way, we can also give a specific feature access to Google Drive. Now let's try that again. It seems that there isn't much theme that I can give access to. So let's ask it question. What can you do in my connected Google Drive so that it become much more clear to you? Okay, let's try that again. Now we do have some instruction that we need to be more advanced about connecting to the Google Drive. We need to go to the settings, integration, or the connected tool menu in Cloud AI and Google Drive from there. And when that is connected, we can search and find files, read documents, spreadsheets, summarize, extract content, and help with your uploaded document. So let's try that again. Let's see if we can do something. Connect to the tools. I'm looking for Google Drive. It's already connected. Let's try reconnecting it. Now let's try that again. Can you find the last file in my Google Drive? I just reconnected it, went through the whole process. Let's see if it can do. Well, there just might be a bug. So there's that. There could be some error, but let's give it a one more try from the settings. The setting is also connected, but I guess this is an error. But if you don't have this error, you'll probably see the same thing, and you'll know that it can search through files, summarize the file, and summarize the last content you uploaded, understand the time sorting, all that. And hopefully that gave you a good idea about the connector in Claude. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.